Where are the OMR sheets?
Not be traced out. That also we have.
Where are the OMR sheets? The entire bundle is gone, destroyed, lost.
We'll have to take a specific instruction.
White ants have eaten the same
This is
thing.
the published. Where is the marks? There is no marks. They not published it intentionally. Why? To avoid the court. What they did? It is an exercise of throughout the state. They will not publish in the first instance. Then they compel the candidates to make the RTI application. They not give the answer in the first stage SPIO. They not give an answer in the second stage, that is first appellate authority. They not give answer the third stage SIC. In the meanwhile, 4 or 5 years elapsed. And thereafter, when I came to the court, they says the panel is expired. You have nothing to do. This service matter, just throw it out. That is their exercise. And
Sorry,
My lord,
देखिए
on behalf of the state, my lord, may I? The total marks that has been obtained, that was supplied to him. My lord,
copy so that he gets to know what you are referring to.
the copy, my lord, I'll hand over my
I
copy.
know the number, but I want the OMR sheet.
OMR
Prepare the OMR sheet.
Not found, my lord. Why I tell you, lordship, my lord, the marks for the first time that has
Whole selection
transferred is
also
on
set aside.
10th January 2018.
हाँ,
Lordship kindly takes up this page
8.
Okay, the copy.
Yes.
Provisional appointment letter,
Okay, copy the-
It is of 2018.
10th January 2018.
And my lord, the first
Look at his documents.
RTI that has been said, the RTI that has been used is the next page for the first time on 2022 on November. My lord, after that, there, with respect to the RTI application,
Hmm.
reply has been given.
Listen, page 13, you are giving reply under the RTI where you disclose the marks. Where from did you get to know the marks? Where are the marks recorded?
This has been recorded, my lord. This was already there.
There
Because
means
before publishing this provisional appointment order, my lord, these are according to these mark sheets, my lord, that appears in page 20. My lord, that appears from page 2021 onwards, my lord. At page 20, we have also replied to that. Page 20, it starts, my lord.
Hmm.
There we have annexed all the division of the marks that was there on the basis of those in details.
The system, as everybody must be knowing, that somebody appears in an examination and there is an
Division of-
OMR sheet where the answers are ticked.
My lord.
From the OMR sheet, or the OMR sheets are evaluated and the marks are given.
These are the distribution, my lord.
that is-
Right.
that-
So you
Seven
must
numbers.
have collected it from the OMR.
My lord, at that relevant point of time, it was there. This was first made, and on this basis, my lord, this provisional order was passed. That was in 2018, my lord, January.
Yes.
And now in 2022, in November, my lord, so far my instructions are this could not be made available now.
What happened in the meantime?
My lord, that my lord,
Where
they're
are
saying
the
it
OMR
could
sheets?
not be traced out. That also we have let
Where
them know.
are the OMR sheets? The entire bundle is gone, destroyed, lost.
We'll have to take a specific instruction. my
White
lord, on
ants
that.
have eaten them
But we have
away.
reflected in the next reply that the required OMR sheet has not been traced out till date.
Is
we are
it the
trying it out.
petitioner's? Is it the petitioner's OMR sheet not traced out?
No, none.
That means the entire bunch.
Entire bundle.
That is.
What happened? The white ants have eaten it.
Yes, yes.
Already the matter was disposed, my lord, on 2018. Provisional list was published.
What
Somebody
provisional
will
is
come
published?
now, my lord, if it comes in 2030 also, my lord, it
whole-
is very difficult to preserve, my lord, the entirety.
Yes.
My lord, that is
The
what
law requires
20
preservation.
years. Law
The
is very
law
specific.
requires preservation. Then what
why
can be
this was
done?
missed, that we can get from them a specific reply that what has happened to them. But my lord, till date, it could not be tracked out. My lord, that is the only things. But division of marks, distribution, everything is there.
But that is
He
not never
wants to
published.
check up.
That is never published. Why I am compelled to, my lord, I just show the what happened, my lord. Otherwise, it will be an incomplete exercise. My lord, kindly take
These
my
texts
repetition.
were not published.
Never. Kindly take my repetition, page number 20. Why I came, because why I compelled to do the RTI exercise. My lord, kindly take page number 20.
Yes.
And I believe my learned friend.
Page number 20 is there in the your report.
Yes.
So it's the same
It is
thing.
the published. Where is the marks? There is no marks. They not published it intentionally. Why? To avoid the court. What they did? It is an exercise of throughout the state. They will not publish in the first instance. Then they compel the candidates to make the RTI application. They not give the answer in the first stage SPIO. They not give an answer in the second stage, that is first appellate authority. They not give answer the third stage SIC. In the meanwhile, 4 or 5 years elapsed. And thereafter, when I came to the court, they says the panel is expired. You have nothing to do. This service matter, just throw it out. That is their exercise. And for that reason, they did it. And in this way, they did the corruption. My lord, kindly take my learned friend report. What they did it in this way. My lord, kindly, my learned friend showing the breakage of marks. When that is published, my lord, kindly take page 3. This is. I kindly tell is the date.
Page 3.
Page 3, which is in my learned friend's report, it is evident. Yes, my lord. I just want to read it.
Is it 11th of
24th November 2023? And this, where is your breakage of marks, sir? You referred the breakage of marks? Where
is it page 15? List of provisional selected candidates. Grand total. Page 15. Please check up.
breakage of marks দিয়েছে?
Page 22.
Page 20.
Page 20.
Yes, my lord. Page 21. List
21.
of provisional selected candidate for the post of Gram Panchayat Secretary. It was never published. It was never came up in public domain. It is in their office. They just prepared it after the institution this writ petition. Kindly see the forwarding letters.
Yes.
My lord, your application under RTI Act 2005 dated 27 January 2023. That is the answer on 2023. Entry 3. The required OMR sheet has not been traced out till date.
Yes.
That is specifically mentioned. And this page 21 never published, never came in the public domain. It is kept in their pocket. They just came out because of the institution of the writ petition. And what is the RTI dictum, my lord? Kindly take the RTI section 8.
But only what I wanted to indicate, this was what has been submitted. I'm not disputing that. What I am on is that at least this provision, as has been submitted by a learned friend right now, that this provisional list of candidates, this list was available to him. It is not disputed that this has not been disclosed. He knew what is his fate in January 2018 itself. What he wants. Now, thereafter, he wants the breakage of marks in 2022 November for the first time. Well, that is what, I am not disputing that what is his claim. But what my submissions are that if he wanted to indicate that, look, these are the marks I want, he knew very much that he is not in the list. His cause of action arose in 2018 itself.
With greatest of respect, that is not the case. Because this is a Panchayat secretary. Yes, I give that.
It is not a fact that he was not aware that this 2018 list his name is not appearing. After almost 5 years, for the first time, he is coming up the what are my breakage of marks. But had it been that conscious efforts, well, at that very relevant point of time, this was not the RTI also. Well, kindly see what was the RTI application of 2022. Well, this appears also in the writ petition and my page number 6. For the first time, what they are seeking. Number 1, Lordship, at the very bottom, 1, how many posts were there in the advertisement for filling up the post of Gram Panchayat Secretary and Nirman Shayak recruitment 2017? Please inform that the post of Gram Panchayat Secretary, how many recruitments were made category wise and caste wise? Then 3, please inform that the post of Nirman Sahayak, how many recruitments were made, category wise and caste wise? Then 4. Please supply the panel of Gram Panchayat, those who have been appointed, and the marks category wise, written test and viva and computer test.
So he sought for the marks also.
Yes, and that's we have annexed. My lord, maybe
My
it had
learned
been,
friend
my lord, I am not disputing today because I didn't know, and this is
my
not my
learned friend
instruction.
not
Just a minute,
not
just a
press
minute.
that RTI queries which is contrary to the my learned friend's submission. Kindly take my repetition page number 29. There is a specific queries about supplying of OMR sheet.
That is
There's
that
a
is as page
suppressive.
20. My lord,
There's
kindly
a
see page
suppressive.
20. In February 1, 2023, there they said the score sheet of all 102 candidates. Now we have seen that these are the distribution of marks which are available with us. And there we have categorically stated that the OMR sheets are still not available.
20 years of to preserve.
Where did the OMR sheets vanish?
That I'll have to, my lord, take an instruction, my lord. So far, my instructions are, my lord, I am placed before your lordship, my lord.
My lord, this is a central legislation, my lord. In our state, my lord, I am before a constitutional court in our state. It is happened, my lord. Kindly, my lord, kindly give a direction upon throughout the state, my lord, a common direction. They ought to preserve any OMR sheet for at least 20 years.
The District Panchayat and Rural Development Officer Purva Mendipur has forwarded a report wherefrom it appears that the OMR sheet sought for by the petitioner cannot be provided as the same is untraceable. Stop paragraph. The respondent authority is directed to file a further report with regard to the further report clearly mentioning as to what happened to the OMR sheets after the examination was conducted and the provisional and the provisional list of selected candidates was published.